Good morning, Broadway. It's your boo Tyler, and you're tuned in to the Tyler Mount Vlog. And I'm so excited because it is opening night on Broadway. Cats the Musical is opening, and your boo is taking you along for the ride. Chris and I are on our way to Periscrope in order to get last minute touches for tonight's outfit. But first, ice cream. Yasmin is here!
Yasmin only wears jumpsuits to important events.
I feel good about this. The glamour, the glory.
2016.
Tyler's Broadway store.
We had a great night. We had a great time dancing and eating good food. When you go to these kind of events, there's unlimited alcohol and food.
They literally just keep handing you alcohol, and you're like, please stop. And they're like, okay. Just kidding. Here's another Pinot Grigio.
We had a lot of Chardonnay.
I drink a bottle alone.
But yeah, we had a great time, and we're really excited to bring you guys to our next opening, which we can't quite reveal yet, but we're excited to show you.
Mwah. Y'all, I love you all. We are back home. You got like the exclusive look of what it's like to go to a Broadway opening night, and I hope you enjoyed it. As always, you can follow my Broadway journey all year long on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter at Tyler G Mount. But most importantly, what? Press that red subscribe button right on down there. Until next time, I'm Tyler, reminding you to give some Broadway love. Wow!